Power. Performance. Portability. What if I told you there's a laptop that gives you all three at a surprisingly competitive price? Meet the Asus TUF A15 Gaming FA507NUR powered by AMD Ryzen 7 and the RTX 4050. But is it just tough by name or actually built to game? Let's find out. This is a no-nonsense gaming laptop built for serious players and creators. It brings a Ryzen 7 7435HS processor, NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics, and a stunning 144Hz display into a 2.2 kg package. But there's a lot under the hood you need to know before buying. Let's start with the brain, the AMD Ryzen 7 7435HS. This is an 8-core, 16-thread beast, clocking in at 3.1 GHz base and boosting up to 4.5 GHz. Built on the Zen 3 Plus architecture, it's optimized for both gaming and multitasking. You'll get smooth gameplay and fast video editing without thermal throttling. Now to the RTX 4050, a 6GB GDDR6 card with a max TGP of 140W, thanks to 25W dynamic boost. Clock speeds reach up to 2420 MHz. That's serious performance. Expect 100+ FPS in competitive games like Valorant or Apex Legends on high settings. Plus, AI acceleration with 194 TOPS gives creators a major edge. The 15.6-inch Full HD panel hits a sweet spot. It's a 144Hz value IPS level panel with 100% sRGB, ideal for both gaming and creative work. You're also getting MUX Switch plus NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, which means more FPS when gaming directly on the GPU and better battery life on the go. This TUF model is future-proof in the port department. 2 USB-C, one with PD plus G-Sync. 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. HDMI 2.1 FRL. RJ45 LAN. 3.5mm combo jack. Thunderbolt 4. Yes, even Thunderbolt 4 is supported thanks to AMD platform improvements. Connectivity-wise, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, fast, reliable, modern. You get a one-zone RGB backlit keyboard. It's tactile, responsive, and backlit enough for late-night sessions. GB DDR5 RAM at 4800 MHz means lightning-fast data access, while the 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers near-instant boot and load times. The 2023 TUF Gaming A15 truly lives up to its name by delivering exceptional cooling performance that sets it apart from the competition. Packed with a high-core count CPU, this laptop is built for intense gaming and productivity, and its thermal management system ensures it can handle the heat, literally. At the heart of its cooling system are two 84-blade arc flow fans. These fans feature a variable thickness design, which boosts air pressure while minimizing turbulence. The result? Better cooling efficiency with surprisingly low noise levels. Even under load, the TUF A15 maintains whisper-quiet acoustics, staying under 40 dB in performance mode and completely silent in ambient cooling mode. With up to 4 exhaust vents and 5 dedicated heat pipes, the A15 remains cool and stable even during extended gaming sessions. Whether you're pushing the CPU to its limits or playing the latest AAA titles, this laptop stays composed, giving you the thermal headroom needed for peak performance. A 48Wh battery may not scream long life, but with Optimus enabled, you can squeeze 4 to 5 hours of light use. For gaming, stay plugged in for full GPU power. At 2.2 kilograms, it's portable enough for a backpack. Memory 8GB DDR5-4800 SODIMM-X2, max capacity 64GB, support dual-channel memory technology. Unity Systems Solutions.